wonder how many centimeters or inches we're going to get. Can you see the snow coming down there? Look at all that snow coming down there. I'm just going to move it like this for a second, people. Just like this. There we go. Can you see all that snow coming down? I don't know how many centimeters or inches of snow we're going to get, but the plow went through here once, and that's it. And people are just starting to come out to shovel a little bit. Look at all that pretty snow coming down. This is just going to be a quick one, because my dad's having breakfast in the background here, and he's twinkling his cup and stuff. But they're just coming out with shovels and stuff here, and it's still coming down, and I don't know how many centimeters or inches we're going to get, but I think they said about 30 or 35, so we're going to see what we're going to get. The Humber Trail is over there somewhere. There's the plow going down again, just around here. They don't seem to be having trouble on the road here yet, like getting stuck or anything, like they were the other day, so not yet anyways. Okay, people, I want you to stay safe and take care, okay? See you later. Bye-bye.